The weight of the old truck was 14,000 pounds, and the new truck that I have is less than 12,000 pounds. To be accurate, I won't even know it, but every load that I pick up now is 1 ton extra that I'm making for every load. So by the end of the day, when I got 8 loads, there are 8 tons more that I haul, doing the same job, same everything, spending same time, energy. I'm making 8 tons more payload. It's a lot of good things. And tell you a small example, like before I go in my old clunker, nobody noticed me, nobody think about it. Now young kids just wave at me, want me to honk my horn because it's just a change, there's something new, like everybody looking at me. I said, why are they looking? It's a new truck, it's on the road, because I didn't have the experience in 20 years. Now when I drive this truck, hey, all eyes on me, and kids are all happy, everybody waving. I said, why is this changed? Then I thought, oh, the old and the new truck. Trying to contribute a little bit that I can in long run to save the humanity. That's what we're all trying to do at this point of time. That's what it looks like. So any little part that I can play, I sure will be a part of it, and this was what I could do.